morning to everyone. Today's e-session is on pre-incubation for budding entrepreneurs and startups. The session includes what is pre-incubation, what are the facilities provided under pre-incubation, meaning of entrepreneurship and startups. When you think of startup or the word entrepreneurs, the idea comes to your mind. What is an idea? An idea can change anything. Hope you know what it is. When you get an idea, of course you think of it. How you will get an idea? See the surrounding environment. You will get a plenty of ideas in day by day, in daily routine, like in agriculture, healthcare, waste management, how to preserve the water, renewable energy, and etc. In today's session, as I said, you will be learning the basic things of the startup. Okay. Now, what is an idea? For example, few students will say that how to create an idea. I won't get any idea. Few will say I have plenty of ideas how to implement or it has a reality. When it comes to an idea, for example, we'll take a water bottle which I can turn it as a reusable or a recyclable thing. Hope you got what the concept of idea is. An idea is nothing more nor less than a new combination of old element. Either you can search an idea in your home itself which creates a new environment or a new innovation to the society, or take something old already invented and make some changes in that. That is what known as innovation and invention. Now we'll come to the meaning of what is pre-incubation and incubation thing. We'll see what is the history of this pre-incubator. Since the beginning, in the mid of 20th century, the concept of business incubator, that is BIs, has continuously evolved and has been adopted in many countries, reflecting very specific economic, institutional, regional and technological conditions. In 21st century, of course it was, this name was buzz in 20th century, but in 21st century, the pre-incubation entrepreneurship startup has become the buzz. Every institutes nowadays, even in IITs, autonomous institutes, and everyone are implementing the incubation center in their university or in the campus. Now, what is pre-incubation? Pre-incubation plays a very key role in providing different forms of assistance to assist the entrepreneurs, especially in the initial development stages of their idea. We'll take one example. As I said, you wanted to make a water bottle which is recyclable or which is biodegradable. When you come up with a survey, what is your idea? How it helps to the society? What is an advantages, disadvantages? What is the technology you are using? A business canvas model and marketing strategies. How you are going to, once a product comes to a final stage, what is your marketing? Who is your visitor or a customer? Everything can be found out at the pre-incubation stage. Application. Once your application, you write an application submitted, they call for a screening or a pitching of your idea. You can raise your fund for a developing POC and individual business plan. Next, once your application got selected, you will provide an incubation facility like workshop, mentoring, funding, support administrative, service specialization, service training, and events. All you know is mentoring and networking is most important in startup or at the initial stage. Next is post-incubation period, that is monitoring, business support, training systems, and leverages on the networks. Now we all know what is pre-incubation, what is an idea, what are the different stages when you get an idea you can implement. Now what is incubation? Incubation is a process which tends to be an activated whenever there is a need to support the entrepreneurs in developing their own business. Same way, there is one more word known as incubator. It is a physical location where the incubation process takes place. Offer different set of services. It may be for individuals or small companies. In incubation also, you can raise the fund, you can develop the proof of concept in a larger way, you can find the market strategy and start yours and register your company for a startup. See, this is a picture gap between the universities and a business incubator source. There is an university where you students will be getting a plenty of ideas. But just because of gaps or obstacles, you directly move to the business part, where you will be losing a mentorship, how to connect with the people, how to make a business canvas model, how to communicate with the customers. Everything will be lost in the middle. Every idea, when students come up with an idea, he or she should be given a basic idea of startup, businessing and everything. Once after you are gaining everything, after going to all this process, if you step into the business or a startup, it will be benefited. The picture says more words than I say. This second picture, the university where you are getting plenty of ideas, when the process or when an idea or a student go through the pre-incubation facilities like market test and sales, coaching, training and everything. And the same when you is in a business incubator, you will be more successful. I hope you got it, what I am trying to say. Next, in pre-incubation stages, idea screening and refinement, business canvas model as I said, guided mentoring and coaching to make the idea bankable, technical assistance on the concept of developing of prototype, progressive evaluation of graduation of the next stage, access to the high-speed internet, assistance in the market analysis, networking events and workshops, business capacity building. What is an idea screening? In the coming slides, we will be coming to know what are the different things. In idea screening, whenever you can get an idea, of course the screening is very important. Because sometimes we people won't come to know whether the idea is already exist or not, whether it can be implemented or not, whether it's feasible or not. So idea screening is more important. Second is business canvas model. What is this? When you come to know that idea, this idea can be implemented in the market and it is strong to start a startup, then the first step is business canvas model. In business, it is a canvas model where you will get comes under this one. So in idea screening, a new product introduction, that is, suppose you have an idea. In a picture it says that you are locking your home using an application. Whenever you have this idea and move towards to pitch to someone, always try to explain the product or your idea in a detailed manner. For example, requirement of the product is technology, use benefits. As in the picture shows that now the security is more important. When you sometime when in the workload, human used to forget the things. When if we develop an application which can secure your home by your hand, that makes really easy. Explain the product idea in brief. For example, to lock and unlock the door for your smartphones. For example, you are building an application to lock your home. That is smart locking system. When you go for a smart locking system, you have to tell in brief saying that when you come to an application,